Hey guys, Keely Taylor here, and welcome to your TLC experience. I'm super excited for your journey to begin on our solution kit where you can lose up to 1 to 3 pounds a day. Now you probably have your kit in your hands, or maybe it's on the way and you want to know, how do I use these absolutely amazing products? Guys, with your NutriBurst, you definitely want to make sure that you stick it in your refrigerator. Every morning, you want to take 1 tablespoon. Okay? Right after you take your NutriBurst, you want to pour an 8-ounce glass of our Iaso tea. Okay? Once you have consumed both those products, you want to wait 15 minutes before you do your resolution drops. So then you'll get your resolution drops. You want to put 10 drops under your tongue for 30 seconds and then you swallow. You want to make sure that now you're going to wait another 15 minutes to eat or drink, because you need to make sure that the resolution drops are getting in your capillaries and absorbing so you can get the most out of your products. Now guys, the resolution drops you will use before your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner. The tea, you are going to make sure that you drink another 8 ounce, whether you want to drink it at lunch or dinner. So that way you get your 2 8-ounce glasses in a day. Guys, I am super excited to see your journey here with the solution kit and watch you lose 1 to 3 pounds a day.